Well, it's the big one today. We've got the quarter-final against Liverpool. Both legs. We're going to do the Wolves bit in between off camera, but also it's Wonder Kids Central at the moment. Yes, the best 50 Wonder Kids in the world. And we've got a few of them. Yes, we have indeed. Now, apparently the Turkish Felix, the next Manuel Fernandez, and Eamon Hammerer, apparently is among the best people that are under 19 years old. So Eamon Hammerer, he wins it. He is an Austrian international. I guess, where's he playing for? Salzburg at the moment. We will get him scouted just to see if he's any good. But we have got 4. Yes. Jurovic comes in at number 3. Hock comes in at 8. 23 is Velasquez. And Basser comes in at 35 as well. But it's always good to have loads of Wonder Kids. I think here we go. First leg today. Navarro in goal. Petkov, Bellafour, Tapas, Tobin, Riviere. Pluman comes in. He scored a hat-trick on his debut for France. Riviere's had his first cap as well, so those two playing in midfield for France, might as well get them together here today. Bit harsh maybe on Hodgkinson, but yeah, someone's got to give out. Jurovic, Gerritsen, Rodrigo and Strezos. Yes, we've got an almighty good bench to come on, including that boy Munns. Pick up where you left off last time out. Yeah, a 3-1 win against Leeds United. Absolutely flying in that. Rodrigo scoring 2 and Munn scoring again. Yeah, he just cannot stop the boy scoring. And with the Champions League music, I think it does it for him as well. I think he's really enjoying the Champions League music. But here we are today with a team that is Liverpool. And it's going to be a difficult one. Ashton Gate, it's packed. You cannot get any more people in here. This place is pumped and ready for it. I just hope we can do something about it. Early start would be nice. A quick goal? Or is it going to be another game where we just flitter away, don't bother doing anything, and just... Mind you, we've done them once recently. We beat them in the Carabao Cup final, so no reason why we can't beat them again. Gerritsen to the far post. And Silvio Bellafour gets a goal on 12 minutes. Bob.
That's fantastic. What a header. Gerritsen whips it into the far post. And Bellafour's there to rise highest. Beautiful header.
Yes, it is an absolute blistering header. Navarro to Tapas. Out to Gerritsen. Gerritsen having a great bit of time out there. Strezos to Tobin. Beats his man. Gets down that left-hand side. Brings it back to Strezos now. Tobin. Gerritsen. Tobin. Strezos. Lovely. Riviere. It's a corner. It's a corner. It deserved to be a goal, it said. And if we can hit 2 in literally 3 minutes. Gerritsen into the box. Oh, Riviere again with the shot. Goes over the bar. But this, as I said, we wanted a quick start. We're having a quick start. My goodness me. Liverpool really turning the screw now, though. They've had 7 shots. We've had 4. But we have had the all-important breakthrough. Come on, boys. This is key today. If we can come out of the first leg with a victory, go into Anfield... It's not going to be easy by any stretch of the imagination, but you just got to dream. You just got to think big, dream about it, suck it in, take this first leg back to Anfield, and hopefully, you probably could hear me saying it through gritted teeth, being quiet and just, oh, he's missed. Just more hope than anything. But Gavi with the corner for Liverpool. It's in. Bellafour gets the header. Timber away. It's away by Jurovic this time. But it's not away properly. Inacio playing for Liverpool. Oh, goodness me. But the highlight ends. That's what we like to see. Yeah, a bit of concerted pressure, but then we have the highlight again. Bellafor to Riviere. Jurovic. He does try and force that ball, but it doesn't always come off. As that advanced playmaker, maybe it is a bit too much of a role for him. Maybe he just needs to be a winger. I'm tempted to do it now. In fact, I'm going to. A winger on support. Get up there and do what you should be doing. Hendricks in, but Petkoff, beautiful stuff defending there. Tapas to Tobin. Gerritsen goes past his man beautifully. Rodrigo then just runs into somebody. Jurovic plays it in. Rodrigo's in. Rodrigo! 2-0 on the stroke of half time. Bob.
You couldn't score at a better time. What a way to go. He ran into one of their players to start with, but then gets it back for Jurovic, who's now a winger on support, to slide it past Wilson, does Rodrigo.
Oh, it's a fine goal, and so he should celebrate. We will make that change. So we've actually changed him from doing what he's just done. Maybe that's not right. We'll see. They've made 2 changes at half time. We will make changes. That is for sure. But we'll have to wait and see. Liverpool with the goal kick. If we could make it 3 before the second leg, that really would be something special. Hendrick. Tapas wins the ball, but then loses it. Hendrick's in. Oh, dearie me. Oh, he's offside. Linesman's got his flag up. Just spotted it. Goal being checked. It is offside. That is fantastic. We don't want to see it again. We don't want to see it again. What we do want to see is some substitutes in a minute. Strezos not having his best game in there today. Or Petkoff. I think Hock might have to come on against his old team. 3 changes made for a minute. Hock is on. Hodgkinson and Danny Munns. If he gets his obligatory goal that he normally gets, that's going to be 3-0. So that will be good. Jurovic does probably need to come off as well. We'll do it. They've injured Hock. The beasts. Jurovic. Oh, Sven Pett. And then it's going to have to be Sven Pett up there, and Munns is going to have to go out on the wing. I'm not happy about that, but what on earth did they do? They've absolutely wiped him out. A potential foot injury. Somebody stamped on his foot. I tell you what, I love Liverpool, but that's not fair. Bellafor gets it away. Hendrick. Inacio floats it in. Munns is there. That's the other thing that Munns does. He's just such a beast. He can just sort things out for us at the back as well. A shout of calm down. Come on, get it away. Get it away. Casado. Oh, that's gone wide. That has gone wide as well. Come on, lads. They are single-minded. We've told them to calm down. Let's see what we can do. Maybe just a little bit of time wasting and lower the tempo slightly and play for set pieces now. Come on, boys. 15 minutes-ish. We've added on time to go. Let's just see this through. Oh, I don't like it when they does that. I don't like... The highlight was up the other end. Why have they gone back this way now? Hendrick with the corner. Floats it in. And it's gone wide. It's been handled by... One of their players handballed it as well. They're trying all the housery tools today, aren't they? I tell you what. Right. Gerritsen. Onto Munns' head. Come on. Give Munns his goal. Gerritsen. I know I said time waste. Munns is there. Oh, it's just wide. He was up. He was up again. Oh my goodness me. 2-0 means it's still all to play for. 2-1, not ideal at all. Come on. That's offside, surely. That's all. It's been played back. Lovely stuff. Rodrigo, go on, give it to him. There's Munns. Munns cuts back in, finds Riviere. Sven Pett. Rodrigo's onside. He's onside. Oh, The goalkeeper makes a fantastic save. Where is he? Where's Munns? Munns, get in there. There he is, look. He's loitering. He's asking for it. Get round the back. They've gone short. We've lost the ball. What a waste of a corner. Chicachano getting all the way back there. But full time is here. 2-0 to the good in the first leg. Absolutely fantastic. Right, let's go and play Wolves off camera and come back for second leg time. Well, Hock is out for 3 to 4 weeks with sprained ankle ligaments. Bellafor picks up man of the match for that beautiful goal. Man United officials are lining up a bid for Rodrigo. Oh, of course they are. I do love to see the old board vision things pop up, and we have on schedule for doing top half finish. Also, the supporters are more than happy that we're up there as well. So, all in all, everyone's happy. We're on schedule for all that sort of thing. So, team today will be Navarro in goal, Petkov, Bellafor, Tapas and Tobin, Riviere, Pluman, Jurovic, Gerriton, Rodrigo and Danny Munns. Yeah, in the previous game that we just played, a 4-0 victory against Wolverhampton Wanderers away from home. Pluman, Jurovic, Munns and Rodrigo scoring the goals. So, fantastic stuff. Let's go and play. And after having such a great win, pick up where you left off from last time out. Champions League, here we go. Come on, 2-0 up for the first leg. Surely to goodness, the boys are going to do it for me today. Let's hope so anyway. We are going to go in with our 4-1-3-2, I suppose you'd call it. Liverpool, they're going to be champing at the bit. I think AC Milan, they played Bayern Munich, lost 6-1 in the first leg, and then have turned it around, which is completely baffling. But here we are. Manchester City and Inter Milan 1-0 for the first leg. So Inter got the all-important goal in that game. But I'm just going to be looking at it today and thinking we just need to sit in there, not do anything silly. Munns to Tobin. Tapas goes back to Navarro. Bellafor, don't come back inside there for goodness sake. Jurovic, where are we going? Stop going back. Bellafor, Jurovic, Petkov, back into Jurovic. I'm not liking this. No. Oh, goodness me. This is not what we wanted. An early goal. I could see it coming. That was the problem. You could see the goal coming. A shout of beration. And of course they're going to be overwhelmed and all that sort of thing because we're still... Technically, we're winning. I hate it. I hate this stupid scenario. The fact that we are now losing on the night, but that doesn't count for anything. We're drawing. And here we go, innit? We might have won the first leg. It's now 2-2, so now a shout of encourage. That should get them back on side. Now they're fired up, see, it's just baffling. Maybe we go attacking for 5 minutes. Strong block by Bellafor, it said. That's what we like to see. Come on, lads. 2 shots we've had. Petkov's been booked. Big game. Is he going to get another booking? Let's hope not. But coming up to half time now, a shout of fire up. Just going to fire them up a little bit. It should, yeah, that's exactly what we wanted. A bit of pressure before half time. Just sort of saying, look, sort yourselves out. Felipe Almeida has been controlling possession today. But here is half time. See, this is the stupid thing. Far from pleased with what I've seen. Our assistant manager's saying, you should be happy with what you've done. You've had 2 shots, 1 on target. Just because it's 2-2 doesn't mean anything. Press them. Get in on the press. Come on, Munns. They're just going to play around us. Gerriton wins the ball back. Munns Muns! That was the ball. That was the ball. Where was the run? The highlights continuing. Now Muns is running. That was a beautiful pass into him. And now we're going to be made to pay, aren't we? Now we're going to be made to pay. It is offside, I think. I think it's offside. The defenders are appealing. It looked miles off. He is offside. A shout of encourage. Come on, lads. 2-2. Muns is having a disaster. Of course he's going to. Right, we've gone for it, I tell you. Ruddy comes on. Vile, Hodgkinson, Strezos and Sven Pett. Come on, boys. Do it for me now. Attacking football. Strezos with the corner. Oh, it was the header. It was the header at the far post. I can't do a shout. I wanted to have a quick little shout at them as well, but we can't do that. Attacking football. Is it crazy? We just need a goal. We have stemmed the flow of them, but we've not done anything for ourselves. That's the problem. 20 minutes to go. I think we do need to just try and sort things out a little bit. Work the ball into the box, yes. Slow the tempo down and just go a bit more direct. Get the ball forward to the boys. They're all clustered. They're all ready to rumble. But it's up to them now. It's up to them. They need to sort it out. Oh, no. No. They're pinging it around. They're having a giraffe here. Or are we going to pick the ball up and break? I don't think so. I don't think so. Almeida, he's been awesome all game, and Ruddy has gone and taken him down. Oh, this is heartache. This is heartache. We might have done them in the Carabao Cup, but they're going to knock us out of the quarterfinal of the Champions League, aren't they? Oh, and João Felix has just done a Panenka. You absolute and utter. Yeah. Unbelievable, right? Very attacking. A shout of demand more. Hendrick lumps it in. It is away, but only as far as them. Come on. Ah, now they're cutting loose. Vukovic. Oh, it's 4-0 on the night. Good night, I think, is the question. And that's going to break them. You're 4-0 down. As far as they're concerned, it's only 2. What are you on about? There's nothing really wrong here. We're still in the game. It's 4-2. You're being battered 4-0 on the night, boys. You've not put a shift in. You've not played well. Now we are out. We are out. Absolutely dreadful. Well, we're out. We've received 9 million quid. I slammed the team for it. Almeida picks up man of the match. And what is he like? Look at the absolute state of this boy. 24 years of age. Oh my goodness me. He's a world-class midfielder. Mind you, we've got a midfield general in there. You would think that could have sorted something out. Well, with games to go, it's going to be the last 2 games of the season, Newcastle and Everton, to see where we end up. Because currently, we are 4th. We're definitely not going to win the league because Liverpool are absolutely destroying everybody in sight. But 5 points off 3rd, 2 points ahead of 5th, I think we're in with a chance. Well, boys and girls, thank you very much for watching. Unfortunately, we come unstuck at the final hurdle at the quarterfinals. We're getting there. This team is really getting there. This club is getting there. And it won't be long before we are really challenging for that Premier League. See you next time out. Goodbye.